The 2018 Nissan Pathfinder, just one of the models here at Jim Keras Nissan on Covington Pike with the new, how did you say it, Gianni?
Larry, it's called the Intelligent All-Around View Monitoring System.
Gianni Lucia, one of the sales associates here at Jim Keras. Let's see how this thing works.
Not a problem, Larry. Let's go.
All right. Okay, Gianni, let's see how it works.
Not a problem, Larry. So right here, we have two viewings. We have a front camera. We also have the surrounding backup camera here, the bird's eye view.
Right.
When the car is in reverse, the backup camera will appear here.
Okay.
Also, there is another feature. If you press the camera button again, this blows people away because they don't realize that there are more features to this camera. You also have a blind spot camera here.
Wow.
That way you can see, especially when you're parallel parking, where you're going or how close you are to the curb.
Right.
Because a lot of people don't want to scratch their tires up,
right,
or you know mess anything up with their tires.
Sure.
So, and then you can hit it again and go back to the main screen.
Man, that's a great selling feature and a great feature that means safety to you and your family. You can see more about it at jimkerasnissan.com. Then come see us at 2080 Covington Pike. Gianni and the rest of the sales associates here are waiting on you.